Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this episode, we are going to be learning how we can easily fix Authenticator app not working on your iPhone. If your Authenticator application is not working properly or it is malfunctioning consistently, then here are some basic troubleshooting methods you can follow to address the situation. So let's go ahead and dive into the video and follow the steps one by one. Open your Authenticator application. Go ahead and get started with the app or simply restore from your backup. If you're not being able to use the application properly or if the application keeps crashing or malfunctioning, then the first thing you would want to check for is an internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, whether it is Wi-Fi or cellular data, since the Authenticator app often rely on internet connectivity to verify codes. Once you have a stable internet, you might be able to fix your issue, but if it still doesn't work, then check for app update from your app store. Open your app store from your iPhone and then in the search box, type in Authenticator. Once you find the Authenticator application in the search result, look for an update button after you get to this page. If you find the update button, simply tap on it immediately to download the latest update for the app. But if you see an open button, it means that your application is already updated. Simply tap on open and then after updating the app, you might be able to fix the issue. Simply log into your account or get started with the account and then check if it works for you. If the problem still continues, the next thing you would want to do is to ensure your iPhone's time and date settings are accurate. Authenticator codes are time sensitive, so make sure to have correct settings for your date and time. Go ahead and tap Open Your Settings application and from the Settings menu, scroll down and tap General. Now go ahead and tap on Date and Time. Toggle on the button right next to Set Automatically, and after doing so, you can get back to the Authenticator app and tap it open and see if that fixes the issue. So those were some of the troubleshooting steps you can follow if you're going through the Authenticator app not working or malfunctioning issue. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.